Hi everyone, welcome you all to today's class. So again we are going to study a very simple topic, applications of determinants. Though applications of determinants can be many, but we are taking here a very small topic, you can say subtopic, which is in the syllabus of CBSE exam. Okay, that is how to find area of a triangle by using determinants. Okay, so let me share my screen and start it. Okay, so applications of determinants, that is what we are going to start today. As I said, applications of determinants are many. Okay, but we are going to take only one application in today's session. Okay, so maybe sometime later on I can teach, we can discuss how to solve a system of linear equations by using determinants, which is also called Cramer's rule. Okay, so Cramer's rule is not in the syllabus of standard maths. Okay, but in applied maths in CBSE syllabus, so the Cramer's rule is there, but I will be teaching maybe in one of the classes. So, but today we will be focusing on applications of determinants. So, how to find area of a triangle whose vertices are given by using determinants. Okay, so before going to this one, I just want to take how come we are getting this? Okay, finding area of a triangle whose vertices are given. So suppose we are given three vertices of the triangle, that is ax1 y1, bx2 y2, cx3 y3. Let these 3 points be the vertices of a triangle. The area of the triangle is given by, so it is like this. Okay, so let me take it just a moment. Yeah. So when the vertices are given, usually how do we find area of the triangle? If you remember this, as I remember, it is like we used to take half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is what we have studied in class 11th in coordinate geometry. Finding area of the triangle, maybe I can write delta equal to this. Area cannot be negative, so I can just put a mod here. It means the numerical value of this computation. Half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now we know this. Now we have studied determinant. So if I take this one like this, okay, I have written it here, half of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So can you check it whether we are getting the same thing or not? If I expand along the first column, see x1 into, I write here y2 minus y3, done. I write here minus of x2 into y1 minus y3. y1 minus y3, right? Just observe whatever I'm doing, whether it is correct or not, whether it is matching or not. Plus x3 into, here it is y1 minus y2. Okay, it's like this. So now, are we getting the same thing? Let's match half, half. Okay, x1 into y2 minus y3, perfect. plus x2 into y3 minus y1. Here it is minus x2 into y1 minus y3. Okay, I'm repeating this. Plus x2 into y3 minus y1. Here it is minus x2 into y1 minus y3. I think these two are same. Here it is plus, but y3 minus y1. Here it is minus of y1 minus y3. Same thing. Then third term is x3 into y2 minus, sorry, x3 into, okay, y1 minus y2. Sorry, just y1 minus y2. Okay, so it means again we can take area cannot be negative, we can put the, mod sign. Okay, if I take like this and I can expand along the first row, or if you, know the properties of the determinants, so it can be taken like this: determinant of A equal to determinant of transpose of A. Or you can say whether you are expanding it in row wise or column wise, there is no change, right? So you may write like this also: x1, x2, x3 in first row, y1, y2, y3 in second row, 1, 1, 1 in third row. Okay, so writing like this or writing like this or writing like this. But whenever the question is using determinants, find area of the triangle, we cannot apply this formula, coordinate formula, right? We have to use determinants. Okay, specifically if the question is subjective questions, it may be 2-marker question. Okay, you have to show the steps, right? So you have to show the steps of the solution. And if the question is using determinants, find area of the triangle, you have to use this. Then, okay, so then you can expand whatever result you are getting, that means square units. Okay, now, yeah, so here area of the triangle cannot be negative. In case the value of the above determinant is negative, we have to consider the absolute value of the determinant, or you can say mod of that. Suppose you are getting minus 47, value of the determinant minus 47. So area cannot be negative. You have to write here area of the triangle is mod of minus 17, means 17, sorry, mod of minus 47 means 47 square units. Okay, I think you know this. Second one is if 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed by the given points is 0. So this already you have studied. Okay, in class 11th we have studied this. Yeah, area of the triangle is 0. It means there is no triangle possible. So 3 points are on the same line. Okay, so we can take the questions from 4.3 exercise of NCERT textbook. Okay, let me take one example here. Find area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 3, 4. So area of the triangle is given by half of this. We can evaluate the determinant. So you can see here. Okay, we are getting minus 3 by 2. But area cannot be negative. So area of the triangle is 3 by 2 square units. Okay. So basically you need to remember this formula. You have to know this formula, then evaluate the determinant. Okay. Okay, so let me take, so if you are given the questions like this directly, you can do like this. Okay, now another question, find equation. Again, it is from exercise 4.3. Okay, so first, yeah, question number 4. I'm just taking first part. Find equation of a line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. You know the line passing through 2 points. You can apply 2-point form. But here the question is using determinants. Using determinants. Okay. So if it is MCQ question, no. Yeah, like you can say very short answer type of questions, like where you don't have to show the steps. So in that case, whether you are applying determinants or you are applying any other method will not be visible. Okay, because you don't have to show the steps there. But in case it is subjective type question, you have to show the steps of the solution, and you have to show, show the determinant how you are using this. Okay, so you have to find equation of the line passing through 1 2 1 3 6 this. Okay, now how to write it. Let pxy be any point on the line, on the required line, any point on the required line. Okay, and we are given the points. Yeah, so given points are, I'm just showing you the step. Given points are, I'm writing it as A, coordinates 1 2, B, coordinates 3 6. So it means the line joining this and this, and we are taking pxy any point on the line. It means you can say A, B, P are collinear. They are on the same line. So if they are collinear, area of the triangle is 0. Delta, I can say half of, we write here x1, x2, x3. Okay, either you take row wise or column wise, no issue. Okay, 1, 3, okay, x. Then 2, 6, y. 2 6y, then here 1 1 1. It is equal to 0. Okay, area of the triangle 0 if the points are collinear. This implies half of this 0 means obviously determinant is 0. I can write here 1 into 6 minus y minus 3 into, you can write here 2 minus y plus x into 2 minus 6. Okay, equal to 0 into 2, 0. Let me cross check it just to check the calculation. 1 into 6 minus y, done. Minus 3 into 2 minus y, done. X into 2 minus 6. So this implies 6 minus y, 6 minus y, minus 6 plus 3y. Okay, then here it is minus 4x 0. Okay, so this is, yeah. So we are getting, okay, so we are getting here minus y plus 3y, 2y minus 4x, 2y equal to 4x, or you can say y equal to 2x. Okay, this is the required equation. Okay, so similar way, no, you can take the second part. So whenever you have to find equation of a line joining these points using determinants, basically we are applying area of the triangle 0. Okay, this is one type. Second type of question is, okay, find the question number 3 of NCERT textbook, 4.3 exercise. Find the value of K. Area of the triangle you are given. Area of the triangle with vertices K, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay, each 4 square units. Okay, find K. Okay, we have to find value of K. So area of the triangle 4 square units. Now let us find area, that is half of, you may write the formula or you may do it directly. This is 4. Okay, x1, x2, like this. So here you can x1, x2, x3, right? K, 4, 0. You may write column wise or row wise, no restriction. Now 0, 0, 2, then 1, 1, 1. Okay, that is equal to, okay, this is equal to what? Half of, you can write, you can expand it. If you want, you can take second row because we have 2 zeros. Okay, but while taking the second row, minus plus minus, that you have to take into consideration. Otherwise, it is up to you which one, which row or which column you want to take. If I write here k into 0 minus 2, okay, minus 4 into, you can see, minus 4 into 0 minus 2, okay, then plus 0. So you are getting here half of minus 2k plus 8. Okay, or you can say it is 4 minus k. Okay, according to the question, so we do not know the value of k, right? It may be more than 4, it may be less than 4. If it is less than 4, then you can get 4 minus k is positive. If it is less than 4, yeah, 4 minus k is positive, but if k is more than 4, then it will be negative. So just to avoid, uh, just to avoid that whether it is plus or it is minus, if it is minus, again, area cannot be negative. So what we have to take, 4 minus k mod. It is equal to 4 square units. Okay. Now, if you remove the mod, 4 minus k is plus minus 4. Okay. It means you are getting here 4 minus k equal to 4 or 4 minus k equal to minus 4. If 4 minus k 4, k equal to 0. If 4 minus k minus 4, k equal to 8. So we are getting two values of k, 0 and 8. Okay, is it clear why it is mod symbol? Because we are not sure whether k is more than 4 or less than 4. It means whether 4 minus k is positive or 4 minus k negative. Okay, so that's why we are considering 4 minus k. It may be positive, it may be negative. So we are considering the absolute value, means mod 4 minus k. That is equal to 4 square units. Okay, now whenever you remove the 4, I mean it may be plus 4, it may be minus 4. Okay, I hope it is clear. So there are three types of questions. First question, find area of the triangle, that we have done. Second type we have covered. If we are given 2 points, find equation of the line passing through 2 given points using determinants. We have done. Third one, area of the triangle is already given and we are given 3 points containing one unknown also. One of the coordinates containing one unknown. Find that unknown, means k or any such thing, kx, like this. Okay, so then we can do like this. So question number 3 and question number 5 are of similar type. Question number 4, 2 parts. Getting area of the, getting equation of the line. And first question, getting area of the triangle with vertices given. Okay, and also if you have to prove the given points are collinear, you have to show area of the triangle whose vertices are given should be 0. Okay, so I think 4.3 is over now. Okay, so yeah, so this is also one of the very small, you can say smallest subtopic. Okay, and as I said in the beginning, using determinants, we can solve a system of linear equations. Okay, and that is called Cramer's rule. In another video, I can show the Cramer's rule. For standard mathematics of CBSE syllabus, Cramer's rule is not part of the syllabus. But for applied maths, Cramer's rule is, of course, in the syllabus. So maybe that will be beneficial for applied math students. So, but for today's session, I just decided to take this application of determinants. Okay, so thank you.